king grass in poultry and livestock farming. You are really king grass.
Hello, all poultry farmers and friends. Today we are talking about king grass. King grass is not an ordinary grass. It helps broilers grow fast and big. It helps broilers maintain strong immune system and at the same time free from every disease. It also makes chicken lay jumbo eggs. If you are raising broilers or livestock, this video will help you very well to gain the maximum result you need. You need to learn about king grass, how to use it to boost your poultry growth and weight, stop diseases, and make your birds healthy, all in organic and natural way. 1. King grass is wonderful plant. In this video, you're going to learn what king grass is all about and how it helps poultry and livestock animals, how to grow and use king grass for animal farming, how to grow and use king grass for poultry and livestock birds. 12 health benefits and medicinal benefits of king grass in poultry and livestock. 6 diseases and infections king grass can help you cure naturally in your poultry farm. The correct dosages and how to give it to your poultry and livestock animals. And that thing is the step-by-step guide on how to prepare and administer king grass to your poultry beds. All this you will learn in this particular video. I will gladly advise you to watch the video to the end so that you get the best and maximum result you need. Let's start with the 12 medicinal and health benefits of king grass for poultry and livestock. Number 1, king grass helps broilers gain massive weight. It increases egg size in layers. It gives you jumbo size egg. Are your broilers not growing fast? Are you not gaining the maximum weight you need in your broilers? This king grass will help you regain the maximum weight of your broilers. It will also help your birds lay jumbo and moderate size egg that will appease your customers. King grass boosts immune system of poultry and livestock animals naturally. It supports strong bone and muscle growth. It improves digestion and feed conversion. It also acts as natural antibiotics. What it means is that your poultry birds are well protected from bacterial and parasite infections that will retard their growth, that will make them not to grow fast. That's what it means. It prevents worm infestations in poultry and livestock. It reduces strays in birds and animals. Remember that strays prevent livestock and poultry animals from eating well. And if they don't eat well, there is no way they can convert the feed, because the time they would have used to eat feed will be used to struggle to regain their strength. Most of the times, if you check broilers or poultry birds that are under stress, they always open their mouth and raise their face up. What it means is that by that time they're raising their heads up, they will not eat any food. And if they don't eat any food, there is no way they can convert anything for you. That means they will not be growing fast. They reduce respiratory infections and fight totally CROD, cholera, and others. It improves appetite in weak animals, most especially when they are trying or recovering from infection or from sickness. It detoxifies the liver and blood of your poultry and livestock animals. It helps in fast recovery after illness or vaccination. So after vaccination, you can use this king grass and administer it to your poultry birds. It will help them to regain their strength and at the same time to start eating well. What are the 6 infections and diseases king grass can help cure or control in poultry? Number one among them is the most commonly and general poultry disease called coccidiosis. That is number one. Number two, it can help chronic respiratory diseases, CROD. Number three, worm infestations, both internal and external worms, can help to fight them off from your poultry and livestock animals. Number four, bacteria diarrhea. When your poultry birds are having bacterial diarrhea, this king grass can help stop it entirely. It can help to reduce the effect of Newcastle disease, most especially at the early stage. When the symptoms are too many, the king grass can help to reduce the symptoms on poultry and livestock animals. Fowl cholera, most especially at the early stage, if you can use it and administer it to your poultry birds during the early stage of that fowl cholera outbreak, it's going to cure it entirely. It's going to stop it completely. Then what are the dosage and how to administer it? Watch this video, you see the king grass. This is exactly what we call king grass. You have it in your area, you have it in your locality, you have it in your backyard. Then how to apply it is what you may not know on and what it does. Exactly what I'm going to give you in the particular video. Before we go ahead, please give this video a thumb up right away and share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And once subscribed, please try and activate the bell to show that anytime I release an update on this particular video or any other video in poultry and livestock animals, you get notified by this wonderful app. And try and join our channel community membership. That is where you become a full member of the particular channel. Then as you are helping us to grow the channel, will also be a part of your own growth in your poultry and livestock animals. We always also give you professional guide and tips to run your poultry and agribusinesses effectively and profitably. How to administer king grass and dosage. Gather fresh king grass as you see it on the video here. Gather fresh, about 500 grams or handful of it. Wash it thoroughly with clean water. If you like, add small salt while washing it. Then blend the king grass with 1 liter of water, clean water please. 1 liter of clean water. Blend it, or you put it in a mortar and pestle and pound it very well. After pounding it, use that water and make sure you rub it as if you are washing clothes. Rub it completely to remove all the minerals and vitamins that are contained in that particular leaf. Then throw away the waste. Then what you need to do now, remove 50 ml of that king grass and add extra water. Give it to your birds. If they finish it, please, you continue like that. Continue giving them like that continuously. You can as well gather dried king grass, or you can gather fresh king grass, wash it, spray it to dry. After drying, then you blend it. After blending it, mix it with their feed. You get amazing results. Thank you for watching. For now, share the video. Bye.